Hey guys, today I am going to be doing an unboxing video
God, I'm gonna be boxes in my face.
of a gear ball.
Let me have some of those.
Penguin.
Got a penguin over here. Penguin.
Murphy's gear ball.
Murphy's.
I just had to see what brand it was.
Murphy's.
And 2x2 Rubik's brand. Cute. I'm gonna open up the 2x2 first.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know that.
Somebody hold this. Please. Here it is. It doesn't have very good turning though. But I guess I can get it better. It just feels like.
You hungry?
It feels weird. Okay, next the gear ball.
Murphy's.
I'm not sure how to solve it yet, but I know how to turn it. That's weird.
It's first step, learn how to turn it.
Yeah. So every time you turn it, you can't just turn it one way. You have to turn it both ways like this. So you're like one hand has to go this way and the other hand has to go this way. So I'm gonna have to learn how to solve this. Okay, Mom. Oh,
Phone's ringing.
I'm done.
Answer
So
the phone.
see ya guys.
Hello.